everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how to make multiple listing on eBay without any difficulties. If you're interested, just keep on watching. First step, open a web browser on your laptop or desktop, and on the search tab, simply search for www.ebay.com/sellerhub. Just make sure that the spelling is correct. Once you type this, just press enter and wait for the eBay website to completely load. Once you're here, just log into your account and you can find the listing under the listings tab. So just press that and then it will redirect you to this page where you can manage and see all your active listings. To start, press the Create Listing button at the top right corner of your screen. And once you press this, you'll have the option to press Multiple Listings, so just press that. Once you have this, what you want to do is press the current listing that you have. And once you select that listing, you can press the Copy Listing button, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. Just remember that before you can copy the listing, you have to select an item that you want to copy or duplicate. The maximum listing or duplicates or replicates you can have is around 1,000 or 2,000, but you can try creating less, for example, 10 to 15 or 20. And just like that, you now have multiple listing on your eBay account. You can also bulk edit your listing by pressing the bulk edit button, which is located at the top left corner of your screen, which is just beside copy listing. This means that you do not have to edit your listing one by one because you can do it by bulk. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.